Alrighty, this is Senior Prestige Motorsports, Thursday morning. Kind of give you an update of the car side here today. Here's a beautiful Hemi Charger that came in for some EFI tuning. This is Justin. He's our expert tuner. He's gonna fire it up and do some cold startup tune-up, which we spend a lot of time on. He's actually chasing a problem with this car. Go ahead there, Justin. So we keep him really busy here. This particular car has been, I think, at 3 different shops. We've kind of isolated the problem now, just trying to figure out how to fix it. Here's a customer Chevelle. Did quite a bit of work on it. Has one of our engines in it. Big block, nice car. Really nice Camaro here. Quite a bit of work on it too, front end, things of that nature. Here's a Cobra. It's in for EFI tune-up. Here's a Nova. It's got one of our blown small block Chevrolets, if I remember right. It's in for some rack work, front end suspension. Here's another Cobra. It is in for some EFI tune-up. Here's a Mustang, real nice unit. There again, EFI conversion and multiple other projects. This is a pretty big project here, frame off. Well, that's all we really can fit in the shop. I think there's about 7 other vehicles in storage right now waiting to get in here. So obviously, you know, we're really known for an engine company. We started the car side basically just to understand our product better when we install it in a car. And that has just really blossomed into a really nice car side. Obviously, EFI has been a big situation as far as learning tune-up, things of that nature. So we're constantly improving on our product on the engine side via the car side. Very important part of the company to offer our clients a vast knowledge of the engine installation products that's needed. So if you got any questions, just get a holler. Have a great day.